Okay, gang, for our banded barbell front squat, you're not going to get this unless you've gone through squatting with me, so I'm not going to go over how to squat properly. You should know this by now. The second thing is you know what front squat position is going to be good for you. Again, you've been doing this already, so whether that's underneath like so, across arm, or even underneath with some straps, okay? And then the second, or the next thing is basically, you know at this point too, if you need wedges or not. So again, some of these things will be in your program notes. So let's assume that you know exactly what position your hands are going to be in, what position, or if your feet are on a wedge or not. And there's going to be 3 phases to this, similar to the oscillatory isometrics, okay? And then the next thing here is important is the band setup. So I have freestanding squat rack. I have to use a band attached to my kettlebells. If you're in the gym, chances are you have like hooks at the bottom that you can now hook your bands to. Whatever way or whatever version, doesn't matter. The key here is making sure you have tension in the band, okay, when you are at your lowest position. If your band is loose at that lowest position, there's no tension there, that's not what we want. We want to make sure there's some tension left in the band when you're down there. So you can see how the band is wrapped around the handle of my kettlebell 4 times. I know it's 4 times for my squats. When I do bench press, because I'm lying down a little bit lower, it's 5 times, okay? So let's get into this. There's gonna be 3 phases. First phase, I'm gonna basically let the band pull me down, and I'm gonna decelerate and stop on a dime, hold for a second or 2, and then explode back up. Second phase, I'm gonna have the band pull me down. So this is a great deceleration drill as well. Pull me down, I'm gonna bounce at the bottom and explode back up. Third phase, I'm just gonna have the band pull me down, okay, and then explode right back up, okay? So let's go ahead and do 3 variations here. Again, in your program notes, I'll let you know if you're just starting out, it's gonna be your first one. If you do it for a while, then I'll let you know which one, which phase I want you in. Okay, so first phase here, we're gonna go down. We're gonna let the bands pull us down. And you can even go down a little bit quicker than you normally would, and then decel or stop on a dime at the bottom before coming right back to the top explosively. So it looks something like this. Okay. The second one, I'm gonna have a little bounce at the bottom and then explode back up. Third one, just down and right back up. All right, crew, that's your banded barbell front squat.